welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. Make sure you have a PayPal Cash Plus account for this process to be done. Right now, I don't have PayPal Cash Plus account, but I'm gonna walk you through the entire process that will help you to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. So you need to click on the settings button at the top right corner of your PayPal application on your mobile, and as soon as you click on the settings, just scroll down a bit and click on direct deposit. There you will see a PayPal assigned number, and you will also see your ABA routing number. So what you have to do, you have to make sure that you copy both the numbers somewhere, because you're gonna need them in some time. So once you copy your PayPal assigned number and ABA routing number, just switch to your Cash App. So here you have to click on this bank icon at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen. Just click on that, and here you will see these two options: add cash, cash out, and add your bank account. So for this process, where you want to send money from your Cash App to PayPal, you have to make sure that there is no bank account linked to your Cash App account, because we're gonna do it later on. So you have to click on cash out. Just click on cash out. Just click on the amount you want to cash out to send into PayPal. After mentioning the amount, just click on next, and there it will redirect you to the page where you have to select your bank account. And as soon as you select your bank account, and it will be linked to your Cash App again, and then just press on next, and after that, on the next page, you have to enter the ABA routing number that you have copied from your PayPal account, and just click on next. And after that on the next page, you have to mention your PayPal assigned number, which is your bank number, to Cash App. After that, just click on next, and this is how you will be able to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.